your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Boss is an idiot, your coworkers are incompetent, and you are underappreciated. Yeah, sucks to be you, huh?
89.5 FM
rocks. Today may suck, blah, but there's always tomorrow, which will probably suck too. Never mind.
89.5
rocks.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, final stretch of this radio show. Time once again for us to invite you to the 78th Feast of San Roque Caracol Festival that will be happening August 16, 2024, this coming Friday. You're all invited to join, okay? But, well, prior to that, the Novena Mass is happening every afternoon, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. August 7 to 15 hanggang Thursday. It's ongoing. Meron tayong Novena Mass at the San Roque Chapel. And then on the Caracol date itself, the Feast of San Roque, August 16, 2024, we will start it up, of course, with another Mass at 8 in the morning at the San Roque Chapel. Misa muna, 8 a.m. Ayan, before we start things up. Okay? After the Mass, we will be having the Street Parade, Street Dance Caracol. 9 a.m. at the from San Roque Chapel going to the Subic Gym. Okay? And then at the Subic Gym, the street dance competition proper will be happening. Okay? 10 a.m. Subic Gym, doon na yung dance competition. We're in 2 categories. We have 2 categories, I mean. The schools category and the open category. They will be battling it out. Okay? Yan po yung dalawang kategorya na gagawin, na magaganap. Alright? At the Subic Gym. Okay? 30,000 pesos sa mananalo sa dance competition for the school category. And then sa open category naman, 30,000 pesos din. Pareho lang, 30,000 pesos. Wow, malaki ha? Okay? So join us. Everyone's invited. Pwede pong manood. Pwedeng sumali sa street dance, Caracol. Yan. Habang nagpaparada, sumasayaw. Sama po kayo ha? You're all invited. Okay? Come on and join us. Okay, and aside from that, meron pa tayong invites here coming from our Kuya Sunny Martinez Condes. Ayan, para sa mga gusto po ng full body alignment. Naku, napakaganda po sa inyo yan. Napakaganda sa para kang reborn. Ayan. Gagaan ang pakiramdam mo. You will feel like you're a brand new human. Full body alignment. Check out Pure Life Wellness Hub. Located at number 124 Gordon Avenue, New Calalake. So by appointment to ha, kailangan makipag-appointment muna kayo kay Kuya Sunny Martinez Condes. Ayan. Okay, hanapin niyo siya on Facebook. Pwede niyo siya i-message sa Facebook. Ayan, okay? So once again, Pure Life Wellness Hub, number 124 Gordon Avenue, New Calalake. So by appointment, okay? So look for Kuya Sunny Martinez Condes on Facebook. Yun lang yung hanapin nyo, yung Facebook page niya. Okay? And pwede nyo na siyang i-message doon. Okay? Tapos meron din siyang, you should also check his YouTube channel. Okay? It's called SMC, Sunny Martinez Condes, Kabones TV. Ayan, Kabones, as in buto. Kasi nga, bone alignment di ba? Is what he does. Bone setting, bone alignment, spinal manipulation, all right? It will improve, help improve yung mga nararamdaman yung back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, will all go away. Numbness, dislocation. Uy, counted pala yung dislocation, ano? Diyan ako counted Meron akong dislocated right shoulder. Na-dislocate sa basketball. Naibalik naman, pero it's still, hindi na ako pwede mag-basketball ulit. Baka daw matanggal ulit Parang nga matatanggal ulit. Even for hip pain, TMJ, stiff neck, frozen shoulders, scoliosis, posture adjustment. Naku, ang sarap siguro pagka nai-accomplish to lahat, no? Sa'yo. Talagang you will feel like you're a new human, brand new. All right. And final set of invites coming from our friends Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Our final set of invites here. Okay? So do check out the Cyber Zone. Okay? Cyber Zone happening for the entire month of August. This one runs from August 1 to 31. The Cyber Month special. May mga special gadget sale, cosplay, and toy collectibles on display, special tech fair, and other tech and gadget sale events. Okay? Cyber Zone the whole month of August. Check it out at all SM Super Malls. Okay? Also check out the Everyday Deals promo. Okay? Featuring 200 pesos off Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And extra 3 times, 3 times the SM Advantage card points. Wow, hindi na double to, triple na to. This one's Tuesdays and Thursdays. And every Saturday and Sunday naman, you'll get the chance to win free 500 pesos SM gift pass. All you have to do is check it out, the Everyday Deals at the SM store, August 1 to 31. Sunday Mass is happening every Sunday, of course, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the ground level near Starbucks at SM Central. Diyan na kayo magmisa. SM Home, amazing August until September 1. It's ongoing up to 50% off on selected home items at SM Home. Check it out, okay? Shop and Dine promo is back. Shop and get exciting dining deals up until August 20 at SM City Olongapo Central. National Bookstore is having the Panalo Balik Eskwela Mo raffle promo. Get the chance to win the 100,000 pesos, the grand cash prize. Every 199 spend on any items equals 1 raffle entry. CBTL free drink upsize. Smack it for a refreshing treat. Use your SM Advantage card at the second level of SM Store. Inside the SM Store, CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tulip up until September 30. And what's showing at the SM Cinemas? Well, let me tell you. Ano nga ba? What's showing? Well, one thing for sure is extended pa rin ang Deadpool and Wolverine. Talaga namang blockbuster. Okay, might as well give you the whole lineup of movies for both SM Central and SM Downtown Cinemas. And you may also buy your tickets early online. Pwedeng bumili online so you can, get to choose the seats that you want. Okay? For movie schedule for SM Cinema Central, Cinema 1, Deadpool and Wolverine, Cinema 2, Borderlands, Cinema 3, It Ends With Us, Cinema 4, Unang Tikim, and When the World Met Miss Provinciana, Cinema 5, Blue Lock, Episode Nagy, and back-to-back with Trap. For Cinema 6, Project Silence, okay? And for SM Downtown Cinemas, Cinema 1, Deadpool and Wolverine, Cinema 2, Borderlands and Unang Tikim, and Cinema 3, It Ends With Us, okay? And for me, it ends here. I gotta say goodbye now. I'm gonna be ending this program early. I got stuff to do. Okay, and of course, we usually end the program with some of the quotable quotes that are posted on the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption Olongapo Zambales Chapter official Facebook page. Ayan. Click nyo po, hit like and share on the mga posts ng VACC Olongapo Zambales Chapter. Okay? So ito yung isa sa mga naka-post doon. Some are posted from or reposted from other or recoded, di ba? But still nonetheless, we shared it at the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption VACC Olongapo Zambales Chapter official Facebook page. And here's our parting words for you guys. The quote from there. Here it goes. Volunteers are not paid, not because they are worthless, but because they are priceless. All right, such a beautiful quote from the VACC page Olongapo Zambales Chapter. Please like the page and share it with your friends, okay? So gotta be playing my final song for you guys now. Here's Motley Crue. Final song for this radio show. This is Without You, 895 Subic Bay Radio.